I'm going to go over the steps on how to change the seal on a canister style Kohler flush valve. First thing you want to do is turn the water off to the toilet tank. Flush it and get the water out of the tank. I would hold the handle down, that way the water will be below the top of the flush valve. Then remove your fill tube. You can pull up the canister and remove the hook that's attached to a metal ring on the handle. On some models, when you turn this top cap counterclockwise, just the cap will come off first. In some models, the whole center support will come off. So just grab the top cap or grab the body of that center support and turn it counterclockwise. In this case, it just disengaged from the bottom. You can just pull out the old seal. The new seal can either be red or yellow, and you're just going to work it into the groove along the bottom of the canister. And then work your finger all the way around. You want to make sure it's totally inserted and it's flat, not bent over at all. Now the center support fits into the bottom of the flush valve, and you're just going to turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Attach your hook to the handle. Reinsert the fill tube. Turn the water back on. The tank fills, you want the water level about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch below the top of the flush valve. When you're shopping for a replacement seal for the Kohler, the outside diameter is roughly 3.5 inches and the inside diameter 2 3/4.